Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss light lesson question answers. Okay. First states the law of reflection. The states the law of reflection under two conditions. The first condition is the angle of incidence is always equal to angle of equal to angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection reflected the second condition is the incident ray normal at the point of incidence, normal at the point of incidence the reflected ray all lie in same plane. Okay. Same plane. Okay. States the law of reflection. Law of reflection under two conditions. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. The incident ray normal at the point of incidence and the reflection ray all lie in the same plane. Okay. The incident ray and normal and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Okay. This is states the law of reflection. The next question is list the characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror. Okay. First, the image formed is virtual and erect. The formation of image is virtual and erect. Virtual means left to right, right on the left appear agradhu. Okay. And it is formed as for behind the mirror as the object in front of it. Plane mirror means நம்ம வீட்ல யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அந்த mirror தான். So, it is formed as for behind the mirror as the object, என்ன object in front la irukko adhe dhaan apdi mirror la theriyum. Okay. And the size of the image and object is equal. நம்ம என்ன object காட்டுறோமோ அதே object தான் mirror la theriyum. So, size of the object is equal. Okay. The size and shape of the object is equal and the image laterally inverted, the left appear right and vice versa. For example, நம்ம வந்து மிரர்ல பாக்கும்போது நம்மளோட ரைட் ஹேண்ட் வந்து லெஃப்ட் அப்பியர் ஆகும், லெஃப்ட் வந்து ரைட் அப்பியர் ஆகும். ஓகே, that is lateral inversion. Okay, so list the characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror is first one is the image formed is virtual and erect and it is formed as for behind the plane mirror and the object in front of it. And the next characteristics is the size of image and object is equal and the image laterally inverted, the left appear right, left on the right appear left. Okay, these are the characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror. Okay. Next, define lateral inversion and identify the letters of English alphabet which do not undergo lateral inversion. The lateral inversion means left appear right and vice versa. Lateral inversion na enaduna, lateral inversion means left appear right and right appear left, right on the left on the right appear agradha enna solrom lateral inversion. What are the alphabets do not undergo the lateral inversion means the letters A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. These are the alphabets do not undergo the lateral inversion. எப்படி காட்டுறோமோ அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். So, left right ஆகும், right left ஆகும் appear ஆகாது. Okay. For example, நம்ம இப்போ B எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா இங்கே வந்து மிரர் இருக்கு, பிளைன் மிரர். மிரரில் இமேஜ் ஃபார்மேஷன் எப்படி நடக்கும்னா இப்படி வரும். ஸோ லெஃப்ட் அப்பியர்ஸ் ரைட், ரைட் அப்பியர் லெஃப்ட் இருக்கும். பட் AHIMOT UVWXY அதை வந்து மிரரில் காமிச்சாலும் அது வந்து அப்படியே இருக்கும், அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். லெஃப்ட் ரைட்டாகவும் ரைட் லெஃப்டாகவும் அப்பியர் ஆகாது. ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் தி லெட்டர்ஸ் do not undergo the lateral inversion. Okay. Next, the difference between real and virtual image. What are the difference between real and virtual image? Real image, those that can be taken on screen. Real image that can be taken on the screen. Real image வந்து நம்ம screenல வந்து பார்க்க முடியும். But virtual image that cannot be taken on the screen. Okay. And real image formed when the reflected and refracted ray actually meet. Real image is formed when the reflected and refracted ray வந்து meet பண்ணும்போது real image is formed, and here the virtual images are formed when the reflected and refracted rays appears to meet. எப்போ வந்து appear ஆகுதோ அப்போதான் virtual image வந்து form ஆகும். Okay. First difference is real image, those that can be taken on screen, but here the virtual image, those cannot be taken on the screen, and real image formed when the reflected and refracted ray actually meet. Here the virtual image are formed when reflected and refracted rays appear to meet. Okay. These are the difference between real image and virtual image. Okay. Real image is always inverted, but virtual image is always erect. Okay. Real image is always inverted, and virtual image, real images எப்பொழுதுமே இப்படி இருக்கும், தலைகீழாக இருக்கும், but virtual images light left right appear ஆகும். Okay. And first question is, states the law of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So the next condition is the incident ray normal at the point of incidence and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Okay. These are the two conditions undergo the laws of reflection. For the second question is, list the characteristics of plane mirror, an image formation by the plane mirror. The first characteristics is the image formed is virtual and erect, right right appear agum. So it is formed as far behind the mirror as the object in front of it. நம்ம மிரர்ல வந்து நம்மளோட ஃபார்ம் ஆகிற அந்த இதை வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறோன்னா image. Okay. Image formation. So it is formed as for the behind the mirror as the object in front of it. என்ன ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்குமோ அதே ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து மிரர்ல வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். The size of the image and the object is equal. என்ன இமேஜோட சைஸ் இருக்கோ அதே சைஸ் தான் அப்படியே மிரர்ல தெரியும். So the image laterally inverted, the left appear right. Okay. These are the characteristics of plane mirror. Next, define lateral inversion and identify the letters of the English alphabet which do not undergo the lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means left appear right and right appear left. Okay. This is called lateral inversion. Okay. Ambulanceங்கிற லெட்டரில் வந்து ஆம்புலன்ஸ் வந்து lateral inversionல எழுதியிருப்பாங்க. எதுக்கு அப்படின்னா ஃப்ரண்டில் உள்ள மிரர், அந்த நம்ம டிரைவிங் பண்ணும்போது ஃப்ரண்டில் உள்ள மிரரில் வந்து அந்த ஆம்புலன்ஸ் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரைட் லெட்டராக காட்டும். ஸோ ஆம்புலன்ஸில் வந்து லேட்டரல் இன்வர்ஷன் மெத்தடில் தான் எழுதியிருப்பாங்க. ஓகே. ஸோ what are the letters? Lateral inversion means left appear right and right appear left. Okay. The letters A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y does not undergo the lateral inversion. And what are the difference between real and virtual images? Real images can be taken on the screen. Virtual images cannot taken on the screen, and real images form when reflected and refracted ray actually meet. Here the virtual images are formed when the reflected and refracted rays appear to meet. Okay. The next question is difference between convex lens and concave lens. Okay. First, it is a broad in center and thin at the edge. Convex lens is broad in center and thin at the edge. Okay. And here concave lens, it is thin at the center and broad at the edge. Thin at the center and broad at the edge. Okay. It is a converging lens. Here concave lens is a diverging lens. Okay. It forms real and virtual image when the object is kept close to it. Here it forms only the virtual images. It forms the different sized images depending on the position of the object. It always forms small size image. Okay. It always forms small size image only. Okay. First difference is it is a broad in center and thin at the edge. Concave lenses, it is thin at the edge, thin at the center and broad at the edge. It is a converging lens, it is a diverging lens, and it forms a real and virtual image when the object is close to it. and here it forms only the virtual images. The image formation வந்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னா it always small. Here the image it forms the different sized image depending upon the position of the object. Okay, these are the difference between convex and concave lens. Okay, next list the two uses of the concave and convex lens. Concave lens is to correct the defects of vision. நம்ம விஷன்ல வந்து டிஃபெக்ட்ஸ் இருந்தால் அது கரெக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காண்டி கான்கேவ் லென்ஸ் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் ஸ்பெக்டகல்ஸில். அண்ட் இன் பீகோல்ஸ் இன் டோர்ஸில் யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. அண்ட் கான்கேவ் லென்ஸ் இட் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் இன் கேமரா, டெலஸ்கோப் அண்ட் மைக்ரோஸ்கோப். ஓகே, இட் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் இன் கேமரா, டெலஸ்கோப் அண்ட் மைக்ரோஸ்கோப். These are the uses of concave and convex lens. Okay, next if a transparent next question is, if a transparent ruler is held in sunlight, you see the various colors explained. If a transparent ruler is held in sunlight, you see the various color explained. Because it is thick in center and narrow at the transparent ruler is thick in center and narrow at the edge. When the held in sunlight, it behaves like a prism. Okay, the transparent ruler is held in sunlight, it acts like it behaves like a prism. Okay, so the prism and split the sunlight into various colors. Okay, split the sunlight into various colors, that is Vijaya. This process is called dispersion. Okay, this is dispersion. So the transparent ruler is behaves like a prism and it split the sunlight into various color. This phenomena is called dispersion. Okay, this phenomena is called dispersion. Next question is, how will you split light into its constituent colors? Explain. How will you split light into its constituent colors? Explain. அப்படி லைட்டாக இது பண்ணால் by passing through it prism வழியாக பாஸ் பண்ணும்போது the light passing through the prism, by passing through prism. A prism is a transparent device bound by the 5 surfaces. So prism is a வந்து இப்படி தான் இருக்கும். It's a transparent surfaces. It bound by the 5 faces, 3 rectangular face and 2 triangular face. As the white light passes through it, each color moves along a different path and can be separately. Okay, here how will you split the light into its constituent colors? Explain. When the light is passing through the prism, a prism is a transparent device. It has bound by the 5 surfaces, 3 rectangular surface and 2 triangular surfaces. And when the light passing through the prism, it split into various passing through the prism. Each the color moves along the different path can be separately split into various color. Okay, and let us discuss the first question. Difference between concave and convex lens. It is broad in center and thin at the edge. Here concave lens, it is thin at the center and broad at the edge. It is a converging lens, it is a diverging lens. It forms the real and virtual images. It only forms virtual images. The image formation is depending upon the position. Here the formation of image is always small. Okay, the image formation is always small. And next question is, list the 2 uses of concave and convex lens. Concave lens is used to correct the defects of vision and in peepholes in doors, and convex lens is used in cameras, telescope and microscope. Okay, if a transparent ruler is held in sunlight, you see the various colors explained. It is a thick in center and narrow at the edge. When held in sunlight, it behaves like a prism and split into sunlight. It splits the sunlight into various color, that is Vijaya. This phenomena is called dispersion. Okay, and how will you split the light into its constituent colors? Explain. When the light is passing through the prism have bound by the prism is a transparent devices bound by 5 surfaces, 3 rectangular surface and 2 triangular surface. And as the white light passing through the prism, it split into various colors. Okay, the white light passing through the prism, it split into various colors. Okay. And next question is, give reason for the following. We cannot see the candle through the bent tube. Give reason for the following. We cannot see the candle through the bent tube because the light always travels in a straight line. Okay, this is a reason behind this. நம்ம வந்து we cannot see the candle bent tube வழியா candle வந்து பார்க்க முடியாது because candle flame வந்து பார்க்க முடியாது because light always travels in a straight line. It is called rectilinear propagation of light. Okay. Next, convex mirror are used as a rear view mirrors in vehicles because convex mirrors are used in rear view because they image of the object spread over a large area. It covers the large area. Okay. So only it is used as rear view mirrors in vehicles. And next, concave mirrors are used in dentist mirror because concave mirror it magnified and enlarged the image, so the dentist can easily view the tooth properly. So view பண்றது ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Okay. First, we cannot see the candle through the bent tube. What is the reason behind this? Because light travels in a straight line. It is called rectilinear propagation of light. And next question is, convex mirror are always used in rear view of the mirror because the rear view mirror covers the large area வந்து view பண்றதுக்கு help பண்ணுது. And concave mirrors used in dentist mirror because it magnified the image and the dentist see the tooth properly. அவங்க வந்து பல்ல வந்து பார்க்கிறதுக்கு வந்து ப்ராப்பரா யூஸ் ஆகுது. Okay. Have you all understand? Copy this question answers in your notebook. Okay. Thank you, students.